To make giant structures, you need machines that are giants in their own right. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some incredible construction machinery and showing you their work. If you feel like subscribing, make sure to write a comment and we'll reply to it. First up, we have the Titan PGD3200X stake driver. This incredible tool is designed to make quick work of installing stakes for a variety of construction projects. Its powerful hydraulic system and precise driving mechanism allow for efficient and accurate stake installation. Its motors are capable of 3,200 blows per minute and can easily drive stakes into hard ground. Next on our list is the Mara Laser GPS Mara Gold. This game-changing technology combines laser and GPS systems to deliver unprecedented construction surveying and grading accuracy. With Mara Gold, construction professionals can precisely measure elevations, contours, and slopes, ensuring that their projects are precisely executed. It works with GPS data and laser measurement to ensure that every number you write is accurate down to the decimals. This innovative tool reduces human error, speeds up the surveying process, and eliminates the need for manual calculations. Not to mention that it is very convenient to the operator, as it can be used with just one hand. The logistics firm's MOVEIT specializes in transporting large gear and equipment. They provide a range of services, such as transportation, rigging, and the renting of lifting equipment. Their lifting jacks are one of their most often used lifting equipment rentals. Hydraulic lifting jacks are employed to raise big objects like machinery or containers. They are frequently employed in many different sectors, including manufacturing, shipping, and construction. MOVEIT jacks are designed to effortlessly lift and position heavy loads, such as equipment, machinery, and structural components. They can be easily maneuvered into position, provide excellent stability, and offer precise control during the lifting process. To guarantee optimal performance and safety, MOVEIT's lifting jacks go through routine inspections and maintenance. MOVEIT provides around-the-clock emergency help to guarantee that any unforeseen problems are fixed right away. SHERPA mini loaders are well known for being compact and powerful machines, good for tight spaces and rough terrains. These mini loaders are designed to handle various construction tasks, from moving materials to digging and lifting. Their impressive lifting capacity and attachment options make them incredibly versatile. With their ergonomic design and user-friendly controls, SHERPA mini loaders enable operators to work efficiently and comfortably, even in confined construction sites. Moving on, we have the Machinex Cormidi C85 Mini Tracked Dumper. This compact powerhouse can handle heavy loads and navigate challenging terrains. This versatile machine is designed to transport materials in narrow or inaccessible areas, making it ideal for construction sites with limited space. The Cormidi C85's robust construction, high load capacity, and exceptional maneuverability set it apart from traditional dumpers. It offers strength and agility, allowing construction teams to transport materials efficiently, even in the most demanding environments. Now let's dive into the Aquajet Systems Ergo Roto-Lance 130S, a high-pressure water jetting system redefining how concrete surfaces are cleaned and prepared. This innovative tool combines the power of high-pressure water jets with rotating nozzles to remove tough stains, coatings, and debris from concrete surfaces. The Ergo Roto-Lance 130S offers unparalleled precision and efficiency, reducing the need for manual labor and harsh chemicals. With its ability to clean large areas quickly and effectively, this machine transforms surface preparation in the construction industry. Next, we have the ECSOEN ICF building system, a revolutionary approach to construction that offers superior insulation, energy efficiency, and structural integrity. ICF stands for Insulated Concrete Forms, interlocking blocks that serve as the framework for walls, floors, and roofs. The ECSOEN ICF building system provides exceptional thermal insulation, reducing energy consumption and creating a comfortable living environment. Additionally, its reinforced concrete construction ensures long-lasting durability and resistance to natural disasters. With this innovative system, construction projects can achieve sustainability, energy efficiency, and increased structural strength. Last but not least, we have the ADS Advanced Drainage System, a cutting-edge solution for effective water management in construction projects. This system offers a range of high-quality pipes, fittings, and accessories that efficiently collect and drain excess water. Its innovative, high-performance polypropylene pipe from ADS is one of its distinctive features. In comparison to conventional corrugated HDPE pipe, this pipe is intended to offer higher rigidity and strength, enabling increased load-bearing capacity and improved hydraulic performance. The smooth inside of the HP pipe boosts flow rates and lowers the possibility of blockage by debris accumulation. ADS also provides a range of specialized goods and services for certain uses, in irrigation systems, wastewater treatment, and stormwater management. Moreover, its advanced design sets ADS apart, which allows for maximum flow capacity while preventing clogging and soil infiltration. The durability and reliability of ADS products ensures long-term effectiveness, making them the go-to choice for stormwater management, underground drainage, and other construction water control applications. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.